And make sure you're getting the juice from the refrigerated areas, because if you're going through the aisles in the grocery store getting your juice, you already know what fruit you know can stay on the shelf for months without going bad. That's the question you have to ask yourself.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Trina Claiborne, your 4C hair transformation coach. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, what's up? Oh God, I'm so glad you guys are here. So I know you know this is different. We're in my kitchen, and I'm not sure which video you actually clicked on first, because I uploaded 3 all at the same time because of what we're going to be doing moving forward for 2025. This video will be uploaded to my playlist called The Recipes for Massive Hair Growth, right? It is a part of my book, my new ebook. So I'm not sure if you clicked on that one, but if you didn't, I have a new ebook. It's called Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth. It comes in 2 forms. It's the ebook that you can download, or you can get the MP3 audio that comes with a resource page. So not to go into details about that, you can click on the other video about all of that. But this video is from a video on my other channel called Kingdom Lifestyle Coaching. Now that channel is on hiatus for now, simply because I'm still working a 9 to 5, and trying to run 2 channels was wreaking havoc in my psyche, everything. So this channel, I can put videos up a little bit faster and hopefully get me where I need to be, so I can walk in the fullness of my purpose, because Kingdom Lifestyle Coaching is a part of my purpose. This channel is a division, you know, your crown and glory. Yeah, that's what we're doing on this channel. But so just to say all of that, this video, you can see the full video from the other channel in the description box. So if you want to see the full video for that, you can go check it out. But I edited this video for this channel, so check it out and enjoy. Here, well, this is part 2 of the last video I just uploaded that has a beautiful, delicious recipe to show you how to make a plant-based recipe that's flexible and very easy. So this recipe, I'm sharing with you my green smoothie that I have at least 3 or 4 times out of the week. And it is another way that I can incorporate more plants, fruits, and vegetables into my diet. So I came up with this recipe, just like the other recipe, where you can always change out the ingredients. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you some of the ingredients that I've included when I make my smoothie. And you don't have to use these. If there's some other herbs and other powders that you want to use, you can definitely do that. So one of the things that I use is amla powder. See if you can see that. And it is organic. That's one of the powders I use. I also use organic alfalfa powder. That's another one. I use spirulina, organic. I use, of course, wheatgrass, and I use chlorella. Okay. Now, and oh, one other one that I use which is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. One other one that I use is nutritional yeast. Now, unfortunately, when I bought this brand, Bragg's was out, and so I figured I'll go ahead and use it up. But this is a nutritional yeast. I put that in my shake. Now, one other thing that I put in my shake, and you don't have to do this, but I do it. I put a organic protein plant-based powder. I love Garden of Life. I trust that brand. So you don't have to do that, but I do that. And then one other powder I put in, which is for the fats. I put in flaxseed, ground flax seeds. So that's what this is. Those are the powders that I use in my drink. And also I use chia seeds. When I make the liquid portion of it, I use chia seeds. Now, when it comes to your blender, depending upon what type of blender that you have, I have a traditional blender, and a friend, one of my clients also got me a Vitamix, which I'm going to start using to see how I need to tweak the liquid part of it. But I usually put my liquid in first and then put all the greens and let it liquefy, and then I add in the powders, and then I add in my fruits, and then I add in ice. I like mine's creamy. I like it to feel like I'm having a soft ice cream. That's just me. But now when it comes to the liquid, there's a number of different liquids that you can use, just depend upon how you want to do your smoothie. That's the whole purpose of this recipe, is to have such flexibility so that you're not having the same smoothie every time you have a smoothie. So with the liquids, of course, you can use water, but that's quite boring, right? Now, one of the other liquids that you can use, of course, is aloe vera juice. Okay, now in terms of nut milks, you want to be careful with the nut milk and test it with the Yuka app that we talked about in one of my past videos and see if there's any preservatives in there. I find the better choices is places like Sprouts or Whole Foods, something like that, or a farmer's market. You're probably going to get a better choice of nut milks. But that is something, and I encourage you to get the ones that is unsweetened, because you know sometimes that added sugar is not God's sugar. I'm just saying. And then of course you can use your teas, your green teas, your black teas, no sugar, of course, no added sugar. Or you can use coffee, organic coffee. You can use that if you need a little bit of a pick-me-up in terms of your juices that you use. And now, another one is juice. Now, if you get a juice from the grocery store, make sure that it's organic. And if you're going to get something like orange juice, I like the pulp in it to make it feel like it's fresh. Okay, and make sure you're getting the juice from the refrigerated areas, because if you're going through the aisles in the grocery store getting your juice, you already know what fruit you know can stay on the shelf for months without going bad. That's the question you have to ask yourself. Okay, so that is that about the liquids. Now, in terms of the greens, there's such a variety. Now, I may have a limited amount that I'm putting in my smoothie as of today, but as I learn and discover more fruits and vegetables that I can put in it, I'm doing that. So I'm going to show you some that I'm putting in. Of course, baby spinach, and everything that I'm choosing is organic. So you got baby spinach, you got baby kale, okay, or you can use the grown kale. Doesn't really matter. And then I also like the ones that are mixed greens. You can use that. And I don't have any right now, but arugula is a really good one to put in there. And it's good for helping you produce nitric oxide. And then also the radish. These, they look like I think they're pronounced radisho, something like that. You can correct me in the comments. But that's a good one to put in there. You can put Brussels sprouts, any type of greens that you like, you can put it in there and just let it liquefy. And because I know some of the greens may be bitter, but depending upon your fruit choices that you put in will offset that. Now, one other thing about the liquid in terms of the types of greens that you're using, with my liquid, I always put in at least a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And the reason I put that in there is because I don't want the lectins in those greens to start forming gallstones. So that's one of the ways that you can overcome that. I'm gonna be totally honest with you. This smoothie keeps me satiated for hours, almost 8 hours. And it's because of all of the phytonutrients. You got both all 3 of the macronutrients. You got your carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. And then on top of all of that, I put nuts in there. I parfait my smoothie, and I swear it's really, really good. I like mine thick. I like it crunchy, and it's not too sweet because of the fruits that I use. I mostly use berries because they're not so overpowering sweet. And then sometimes I use avocados in there for the creaminess, or I'll use a banana for the creaminess. And it really does give it a great, great flavor. And so I'm going to show you my cup that I use. Don't laugh. Hold on. Did you know scalp massages have been scientifically proven to not only increase hair growth, but to increase hair thickness due to massive blood flow? Well, despite its effectiveness, applying the correct massaging techniques and being consistent can help 10x your hair growth goals with scalp massages. That is exactly what the Grow Band Pro by HairGuard can bring to your hair routines to help you meet your goals. It is a patent-pending automatic scalp massager that allows you to massage your scalp while completing your to-do list, making consistency a breeze. The massage method is moving the scalp over skull to manipulate the fascia to stimulate massive blood flow at the dermal layer. Now, if you've been looking for a natural hair growth hack, well, this is it. There's no side effects, you have long-term results, and it's a one-time purchase. Now, to take advantage of the 60-day trial, simply scan the QR code so you can stack this hack and watch your hair grow down your back like crazy. Now back to the video. This is my cup. I call it my pimp cup. But I fill it up to the rim, and I promise you, this keeps me satiated for at least 8 hours. No joke. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and let me know if you tried the green smoothie, because it is delicious. It is flexible. You can add the ingredients that you actually love, which is what I love about cooking. You can be so very, very creative. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Leave a comment, because it does help the channel. I'm trying to grow this channel so I can help as many women as I possibly can, because looking at my analytics, most of the women are my subscribers are my age, so that I know that we have some similar issues when it comes to our hair and health. So definitely subscribe and share it with someone that you think that would benefit from having contents like this. And if you have any suggestions or ideas, definitely leave those in the comments too, because it helps me to create more content that you are actually looking for. So thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Be blessed.